Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to continue our example of the two-point perspective system using the common method. In the last video, we walked through how to locate this plane right here of our three-dimensional form. In this video, we're going to show you how to locate this point right there up at the peak of our roof. Let's start by establishing our vertical measuring line. Now this point right here on the plan that we're interested in is not on the picture plane, right? Therefore, you need to project it, right here, to the picture plane, and then drop a vertical line down into your perspective view. This is your measuring line. This is not the line that we're going to draw that this piece. This is a line that we are going to find the height. All right. So therefore, the next step right here in blue is to transfer the true height from our elevation view horizontally across to our measuring line. Our next step is to project that height along our perspective or receding line. All right, so we measured this particular height, and we're going to know that this peak of the roof, the height of it is going to be somewhere along this line. All right, but we don't know where yet. So let's find out. Okay, to find our location, first we're going to draw a sight line from our station point. Remember, a sight line is a view line from the station point to the point that we're interested in, this peak of the roof. Okay. Next, find the intersection of that station line, sight line, with the picture plane, right here, and then drop a vertical line into your perspective view. Right. Notice, so here's that perspective line that we drew earlier. And now we have this vertical, what did we call this? Just a vertical construction line, all right? And that gives us this point right here, okay? The bottom of this line, as we projected that over and then drew this piece, the bottom of it is right here, all right? So this piece right here, this line right here, is going to help us locate this point, which is the peak of our roof. Once we find the length and location of some of these major vertical lines, you can connect them, draw the planes in between them, and create the volumes of your form. All right. You're going to start with the most important points, connect them to create lines, connect those to create planes, and finally connect your planes together to create volumes. Finally, once you've created those volumes, you can use additive or subtractive techniques to add some of the details. So in this video, we just drew this particular line on our drawing. Note that this isn't even a final line for your perspective view. What it's good for is to identify and locate this peak point, which is an important point in your three-dimensional form. All right, everybody, thanks for sticking with me through this very technical process. You're going to get a chance to practice it in this week's activity.